बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। हेलो, हाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। This is all about ideas signing in. I am going to share with you a most stunning and very pretty seashell craft ideas. This is very beautiful and very amazing seashell centerpieces decoration ideas for you guys. I am very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are super amazing and very unique. Seashell art and craft for you guys. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. These are super incredible and very unique ideas for you guys. These are very pretty, very unique and very stunning seashell craft ideas for you guys. Hope so you're doing well. And these are super incredible and very unique and very stunning seashell craft ideas for you guys. These are top trending, top unique and very unique and amazing seashell craft ideas for you guys. Follow for more details. Take care. Be happy. Allah Hafiz guys. Bye bye.